Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you exactly how much TikTok paid me for 10 million views in the last 35 days or so on TikTok. And I typically make videos for content creators with a lot of how-to and technical tutorials, but I thought this would be useful to kind of get an idea, is TikTok worth doing, at least as far as how much they pay you out of the creator fund. Now, if you're not aware of this, TikTok has a creator fund, basically a pool of money. When they last announced it, it was $1 billion. And based on the views you get on their platform, they pay you for those views as long as you apply and you participate by creating videos. Now, I have a different video about that I'll link below to show you how to apply. But let me show you exactly how much they paid me for just about 10 million views on TikTok. So I started posting almost every day about 35 days ago. I had about 600 followers to start. I have about 101K right now. And just to show you the analytics here, if we go to Creator Tool and click on Analytics, and let me just show you just the 60 days or so. They don't have a 35-day option, which is what this took. So 9.6 million views in that range. And I would say about 8 million of them actually were after I joined the Partners Program. The ones before that, I didn't make any money off of. So 8 million views, I guess, would be more accurate for how much they paid me. So let me go back here. And by the way, you could come in here and you could click on any type of content you have and you could kind of see the analytics for it, but it won't show you exactly how much you made per video, only for the whole profile here. So let me go to Creator Fund in this case. And this is usually on a 3-day delay. So you could see the last time they paid was 61 cents. Typically you make $1 or $2. Some good days you make about $4. And when I had some viral videos, you could make as much as $21 in one day. But so this is from exactly 31 days actually. So about a month, this is how much TikTok paid me, $131.87. So if I really broke down the math, let's say $131 for 8 million views. If I was rounding it up to 10 million, probably closer to $150 is what they pay you. Just to compare it with what I've seen on YouTube and some of my channels that I've seen, it's nowhere in the same ballpark. Okay, for 10 million views on YouTube, you're going to make tens of thousands of dollars, not hundreds of dollars. But it's a whole different ballpark, right? Because on YouTube, they're running ads on your videos and they're splitting that with you, how much they make from the advertisers. On TikTok and on the other creator funds like YouTube Shorts, Instagram and Facebook have it, Snapchat have it, they're just paying you out of a fund. They're not running ads on your videos. They're just kind of splitting the fund between all the different creators. So they're gonna be far less. But the ability to get 10 million views on TikTok in just a month by almost spending no time creating videos is something that is nowhere near what happens on YouTube or any other platform. So TikTok does have the power to reach a lot more people much easier than all these other platforms do. And that's why I've been trying to make more TikTok videos to kind of teach content creators another way, especially business owners now have a very easy way to capture a large audience. I was able to get almost 100,000 views to Howfinity.com using TikTok and having call to actions for some videos that are listed on the website. So people clicked on there and went on there and it created a huge surge for my website traffic. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you let me know in the comment section which platform you want me to cover most, because I've been covering a lot of YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. I'd like to hear your feedback, which one resonates more. Thanks so much and I'll see you next time.